Good morning, everyone. Our today conference will be held on March 4 and 5 at India International Institute of Democracy and Election Management, New Delhi, with chief electoral officers of all states, union territories of India under the chairmanship of the newly appointed Chief Election Commissioner of India, Gyanesh Kumar. This is the first such conference since Gyanesh Kumar took over as CEC. For the first time, CEOs have been directed to the nominate one DEO and one ERO to attend the conference. As statutory authorities, CEO, DEO, and ERO are important officials at the state, district, and assembly continuancy levels. Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officers Munish Kumar Sharma said that this today conference will provide a platform to the election officers of the state to the brainstorm and learn from each other's experiences. He said that on the first day of the conference, any areas of modern election management will be discussed, which include IT architecture, effective communication, increasing social media reach, and statutory role of various officials and electoral procedure. On the second day, CEOs of status union territories will present their respective actions plans on the thematic discussions of the previous day. He said that the election commissioner reiterates resolve to strengthen democratic values and ensure free, fair, and transparent elections. The conclusion reached in this important meeting will prove helpful in making future election management more effective. Along with the monitoring, illegal mining, checking of valid permits is also being done. Mineral transport should be done only with the valid permit and under prescribed rule. Mining department team is continuously monitoring the mining department is fully alert and vigilant to ensure there is no illegal mining in the district, and mineral transport should be done with the valid permit and following prescribed rules as the instructions of Director General of Mining Department K.M. Pandurang. The officers of the mining department of the district are keeping an eye on every mining activity and the action of mineral vehicles day and night. District mining officer Rinku Kumar said that illegal mining is not happening in any area of the district, and himself is also continuously checking the vehicles with his team during this time. Many cargo vehicles were checked and documents related to mineral transportation were also thoroughly examined. Information, he said that along with checking of all the cargo vehicles, an investigation was done to check how much goods are being carried it and whether we are made according to the goods in the vehicle or not. During the investigation, no vehicle was found without a bill. Along with this, the Aravali areas was also monitored. The mining officer said that if anyone does illegal mining in the district, then strict action will be taken against him. He also called upon the people to inform the district administration about those doing so. Apart from this, if the mining department receives any complaint regarding illegal mining, then the inspection team of the department and the state enforcement bureau will take action against concerned as per the rules. Problems of Samadhan Shivir should be solved quickly. Officers of all the departments of the district should ensure that problems coming in the Samadhan Shivir are solved quickly. Negligence in this work will not be tolerated in any way. This new system has been initiated by the government for quick solution of the problems of the public. On the instructions of the Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, SDM Ashish Sangwan heard the problems of the people on Thursday and said that the state government has taken a new and unique initiative of Samadhan Shivir to give relief to the common people so that the problem of the people can be solved under one roof and on the spot. People do not have to visit different offices. That is why, as per the instructions of the government, officers of various departments of the district are present in the camp. In such a situation, all the officers should ensure quick solution of the problems sent to them. He said that as per the order of the Haryana government, the Samadhan Shivir being organized daily at the district headquarters is proving to be very beneficially for the general public. In the Deputy Commissioner's officer, in the presence of the head officials of various departments, the problem of the citizens are heard and effort are made to solve them on the spot. The citizens start arriving as soon as 10 a.m. After hearing the employees of the complaints branch, the Deputy Commissioner's officer register the complaints in the register and they are sent to the concerned departments for the action. The complaints of the Samadhan camp in the district are being resolved on priority. The Deputy Commissioner has told every department that action should be taken on these complaints immediately. Under the scheme, 5% subsidy is given on interest on education loan. Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam provides 5% subsidy on interest rate to girls and women on taking loan from banks for higher education in India and abroad. It is the necessary for the women and girl leveling to the scheme to be a permanent residents of Haryana. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that no girl students should be deprived of higher education due to high interest rate. Therefore, the government provides subsidy on 5% interest rate to girls and women on higher education with the aim of accelerating Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign of the government of India. Girls and women should not face any problem in getting higher education. He informed that 5% interest on education loan is reimbursed by Mahila Vikas Nigam for girls and women to take admission in technical education, diploma, post-graduation, PhD and under high education courses. He informed that there is no under condition including income cost to avail this facility. For these girls and women should be permanent residents of Haryana. The scheme is proving to be very beneficial for girls and women. For any other information in this regard, Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam